For one small village like that inside this Nigeria, you get one man wey dem dey call Baba Sule. Baba Sule na fish in the cash take chop. Before, he and him family dey enjoy wella. Because every morning, Baba Sule go paddle in canoe, go deep inside the water, and when he throw a net, by afternoon, he don pack basket dem wey fish full go house. Na so he dey take care of him wife Amina, their 2 children Musa and Halima. For that time, life no too bad for their side. But na him life con change o. Climate change con come, and this climate change, no send anybody message. E just come without to give anybody any warning. The rain wey dey fall steady before, e stop. The water wey Baba Sule dey depend on to make him business flow come begin dry small until fish no too dey again. One evening like that, Baba Sule come sit down for front of their compound. Him pikin dem dey play. He rub him head. Frustration don full in life. How we wan survive like this? River don betray us like this o. Dey talk to him wife Amina. She come look am with pity, yeah, but she no get answer when she wan talk. What she wan tell am? Na so things come worse for Baba Sule side. Imagine Baba Sule wey dey chop, even save food finish. They come begin dey beg. Pikin dem come begin dey complain say hungry dey catch them. Even school fees for Musa and Halima, Baba Sule no fit pay again. He try borrow money, but everybody for village dey face the same wahala. Na so one day when Baba Sule go meet one of him old friend like that for another village, as dem talk finish, the man tell am say, Sule, why you no try farm small for your backyard? Wetin wey you dey wait for river, you fit get am for ground. Na so me sef I take survive o. Him friend come give am the lowdown. Baba Sule no sure, but he no get choice. So, when he come back from village, he clear one small space for back of his house. He begin plant corn. He begin plant tomatoes and pepper. Every morning, he go pour water on top the things when he plant. He no even care, even when sun heavy for up. After many ones when he don dey work on top the crop then when he plant, Baba Sule dey expect something to happen. But the sun too hot and water no plenty reach. Baba Sule sit down for ground one hot afternoon like that, sweat dey drip for him body like a tap. He look the plant then wey don dry finish, he come vex. He say, wetin I do sef? River no gree, new ground no gree too. But Baba Sule no be person wey dey give up. Him mind sharp like blade. He remember say for him friend village, then they talk about one thing wey they call drip irrigation. How to water crop small without waste. The next day, he go borrow pipe from one man for nearby. With the help of Musa and Halima, then fix the pipe when he fit drip water to the plant then when he plant. Now so hope begin come again o. With time, the plant then when the plant begin grow well. Corn tall, tomato red, pepper fresh. Baba Sule come dey smile when 32 come out for the first time for many months then. One evening, his wife come from farm with full basket of better things than when she carry. Sule, my husband, see wetin your hand don do. Amina shout, her face happy. Well, the sweet part of the story be say when Baba Sule carry all the things when they come up for the farm go market, people rush buy all the fresh vegetables them when they carry. They even ask am for more. For the first time for many months, in pocket full. And he even fit come buy small meat go house. The next week, Musa and Halima return for school, and Baba Sule begin plan how to expand his farm. The better part for all this matter be say climate change still dey, sun still dey hot, but Baba Sule don learn how to adjust. Now, people from village dey waka come Baba Sule house to come learn how dem go take learn how to farm for small way. Even though the water no gree give fish again, in family dey chop well. And as Baba Sule go always tell people for the village, if one door close, my people, make you look for another one. God no go ever leave us stranded.